Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy new feature on Instagram that you won't want to miss. We'll show you how to enable birthday notifications on your PC so you can celebrate your friends' special days without forgetting. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the features. Next, look for the More icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that icon to open a menu with different options. Now, navigate to the Settings by selecting Settings from the menu. Once in the Settings menu, find the Notifications option. This is where you can customize how you receive alerts and updates from Instagram. In the Notifications menu, click on Push Notifications. This will give you access to a range of notification settings for your account. Finally, look for the section labeled Birthdays. Once you find it, simply choose On. And that's it. You'll now receive notifications whenever it's someone's birthday, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to send your best wishes. So there you have it. With just 5 simple steps, you can enable birthday notifications on Instagram from your PC. Now you can celebrate your friends in style and make their day extra special. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.